In the following assembly video, we will learn the proper steps to assemble the Forte motion sofa for quick and easy delivery. To start, we need to begin by removing the sofa from the box. Once the box is removed, we will start by lifting the sofa backs and placing them over to the side until we are ready for install. We want to make sure when the backs are removed, they are placed with the KD brackets facing upwards. This will ensure a quick and easy install once we are ready to use the sofa backs. Next, we're going to carefully lift the Forte from the rear and place it on its front cushions, so the bottom of the Forte is facing us. At this point, we are ready to take the left and right sofa backs and place them firmly into their connection bracket. It is important to mention, you must make sure you are installing the correct sofa back onto the correct side of the sofa. You can easily place the wrong sofa back into the wrong connector. Then go ahead and pull the left and right bottom flaps and attach them to their Velcro strips. We can then lift the Forte and place it into its upright position. We can now lift the center sofa back from the rear of the sofa and place the KD brackets into their connectors. Once the Forte is completely installed, you want to plug it into a wall socket and ensure that the Forte is fully operational. Begin holding the forward button until we have a fully extended recline. Then hold the back button to return it to its upright position. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side of the sofa. The Forte motion sofa is now complete and ready for use. For more information, please visit the Tips and Tricks playlist on the BDF support channel. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. On behalf of BDF support, thank you for watching.